Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are discussing sample paper 2. Let us continue with the practice of sample paper 2. Question number 6, once again notice writing an advertisement. I am going to write once again. We are going to practice once again. You are Asma Ashish. You are Asma Ashish. You are Asma Ashish, the head girl or boy of Aryabhatta International School. The head boy or head girl of Aryabhatta International School. You are Asma Ashish, the head boy girl of Aryabhatta International School. Your school is soon going to publish. Your school is soon going to publish your school is soon going to publish the annual magazine next month. The annual magazine the next month. Write a notice for the notice board write a notice for the notice board of your school inviting students of your school inviting students to submit write-ups okay, in 50 words. So you are Asma Ashish, the head boy or head girl of Aryabhatta International School. Your school is soon going to publish the annual magazine next month. Write a notice for the notice board of your school inviting students to submit write-ups. Okay, so let me rub it and write down this notice. Now we know that first of all we should draw three-sided line as we are supposed to make a box. So first of all you should draw three-sided line. Don't close the box. Okay. After completing your notice you should close the box. Okay. So first of all you should write the name of institution, which is, whether you can write the name of institution in capital or you can capitalize the first letter of each word. Okay. Aryabhat International School. Aryabhat International School. Then the word notice in capital. Okay. Then date. It is 21st December 2020. Then subject. What is the subject? So here you are calling for submission. So you can write call on submission or call for submission, or you can also write call for write-ups. Okay, call for submission or any relevant subject you can give here. Call for submission. Okay, call for submission. Okay, now content. This is to inform. This is to inform all the students. This is to inform all the students that our school is going to publish. This is to inform all the students that our school is going to publish its annual magazine next month. Okay, this is to inform all the students that our school is going to publish its annual magazine next month. All those wish to contribute can mail their entries to any mail ID apsvaranasi@gmail.com. Their entries to this mail ID. Okay, so this is to inform all the students that our school is going to publish its annual magazine next month. All those who wish to contribute can mail their entries to apsvaranasi@gmail.com. Okay, let me rub it and write down the remaining part of this notice. We can add more, don't put full stop, you can add one more thing here. Latest by 31st December 2020. Latest by 31st December 2020. Any more relevant information? You can take any topic of your choice. You can select any topic of your choice. You can select any topic of your choice. For further information, please contact your respective class teachers. For further information, please contact your respective class teachers. Your respective class teacher. Okay, then your name, Asma or Ashish, head girl. Okay, then close the box. Okay, dear student, so this way you can complete your notice. So let me rub it and write down next part of question number 6, which is advertisement. You are Ankur Ashita, 6B. You are Ankur Ashita. You are Ankur, Ashita, a travel agent with ABC Travelers, a travel agent, with ABC Traveler. With ABC, not traveler, it's travels. Sorry. ABC Travels, Delhi. Write an advertisement, Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in the local daily, to be published in the local daily for a tour package to Singapore. For a tour package to Singapore. Okay? You are Ankur Ashita, a travel agent with ABC Travels, Delhi. Write an advertisement to be published in the local daily for a tour package to Singapore. Okay? So let me rub it and write down the answer. It should be written in tours and travels column of the newspaper. Let's start. Travels and tours. First, in the same way, you will have to make a box. Sometimes chalk doesn't write properly. Okay. So travels and tours column. Travels and tours. You can write it in capital letter. It would be more suitable. Travels and tours. Travels and tours. Okay. So as you are offering a package for Singapore, so you should start with this way: attractive tour package. Attractive tour package for Singapore attractive tour package for Singapore. Attractive tour package available for Singapore. Na? This way we should write available for Singapore. Attractive tour package is available for Singapore. Now, how many days and nights? So let us write 5 nights, 6 days, 5 nights, 6 days, 5 nights, 6 days. What more you are providing? Good food, okay, and capitalize it to make it more effective. Good food, what facilities you are providing. Here you may or may not write is, it is not mandatory, as we write the advertisement in short, na? So the words which are not necessary we need not write. Attractive tour package available for Singapore, 5 nights, 6 days, good food, and what more you are providing, you should mention. Sightseeing and return air tickets. Sightseeing and return air tickets and return air tickets, okay. And if any discount you are providing, included at 35,000 per person, included at rupees 35,000 per person, okay, at rupees 35,000 per person. Special discount you are offering 10% for groups. Special discount of 10% for groups. Special discount of 10% for groups, okay. Special discount of 10% for groups. Booking open, now write the date. Booking open till 31st December 2020. Booking open till 31st December 2020. Now you have to give your contact detail. So what is the name given here? Contact, the name is given here, Ankur, ABC Travelers Delhi at, then you have to mention your mobile number. Contact Ankur, travel agent, need not mention, just ABC Travels, okay, at 9837 this ABC Travels Delhi, okay, you must mention it. ABC Travels, Delhi here. Okay, chalk, sometimes it does not write properly. Okay, then close the box. Okay, so it's all about advertisement writing, in which you are giving a package for Singapore. So it's all about short writing skills. Let me show you the this way. Yes, now you can take the screenshot, or you may pause the video and write down. Either you can take the screenshot, or you may pause the video and write down. I am going to rub it and now start long writing skills. Question number 7. 7 also short writing skills. It is formal and informal invitations or replies. Okay. Question number 7. You are Ashish Ritika. Question number 7 of sample paper 2. You are Ashish Ritika. You are Ashish Ritika. You have received a letter from close friend. You have received a letter from your close friend. A letter from, not letter, it should be invitation. A letter from your friend inviting you. Okay. A letter from your friend inviting you to attend the marriage of his sister. To attend the marriage of his sister. To attend the marriage of his sister, but unfortunately you cannot attend it. But unfortunately you cannot attend it due to your previous commitment. You cannot attend it due to your previous commitment. So write a reply to the invitation regretting your inability. Write a reply to the invitation regretting your inability to attend the marriage ceremony. To attend the marriage ceremony. Okay, so this is the question first of part first of question number 7. You have to write a reply to the invitation which you have received from your friend regarding his sister's marriage. Okay, so it's a homework. You should practice this question, answer to this question, and remaining questions will be discussed in the next video. Okay, you can take the screenshot or you may pause the video and write down. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.